Yeah, student, welcome to your online class. This is the class for computer, class 8. And today we are discussing chapter number 5, that is tables and hyperlinks in HTML. So, students, as in the last classes, we have discussed about the tables, how we can insert the table, what is its syntax, how we can use it, various sub options of the tables we have already discussed. So in this session, we will discuss about the hyperlink. So what is, at the end of this session, you will be able to define hypertext and hyperlink and explain the types of linking in HTML. So, dear students, first of all, we come to what is hypertext. Hypertext, it is a text or a word that contain a link to a website. As you all visit to various web pages on the internet, then you come across to some of the text or the words. When you click them, they open some other web pages or the websites. So they are considered as the link to a website, and such texts that open or that have the link to a website, that is considered as hypertext. Those are known as hypertext. So, dear students, an example of the hypertext is the Facebook. Clear? The word Facebook that links to the Facebook page. As you type Facebook, that links to the Facebook page. So Facebook will be considered as a hypertext. Clear, students? Now it comes to hyperlink. While you surfing the internet, we come across several texts, images, which when clicked open a different web page, and these text or string or images are considered as hyperlinks. So the text, when you click on them, they open a different web page that are known as hyperlinks, and the text which is connected to different websites, they are known as hypertext. Hyperlinks interconnect the web pages over the World Wide Web. Hyperlinks are used to interconnect the pages over the World Wide Web. As complete World Wide Web is a database, a huge database where all the pages are stored over there. And how they are interconnected? They are interconnected via hyperlinks. So you can say hyperlinks interconnect the web pages over the World Wide Web. Now, dear students, for interconnecting the web pages, we use anchor tag A. The name of the tag is A, and this is known as anchor tag. So, anchor tag is used to create hyperlinks. What is the purpose of anchor tag? Anchor tag is used to create hyperlinks in the web page. So if you want to create a web hyperlink in the web page, then you have to use anchor tag A. It is a container tag. So are you all familiar? What is the container tag? The container tag are those tags which have opening as well as closing tags, which have opening as well as closing tag. Those tags are considered as container tags. Okay. So whenever you use anchor tag A, at the end of its scope, you have to close it by /A. So students, any text or image enclosed within the A and /A tag is displayed as a hyperlink. So whatever you will write between the A tag and its closing pair /A tag, that will be displayed as hyperlink. So to create the hyperlink, we have to use A tag, and A tag is known as anchor tag. Anchor tag is a container tag. It is a container tag. So whenever you use it, you have to close at the end of its scope. Clear, students? Now we come how we can use it. What is the syntax of it? So anchor tag A is having two of its attribute, that is href, and the second attribute is name. href attribute indicate the destination link. href stands for hyperlink reference. Hyperlink reference. So it indicates the destination link. In the next class, we will see how we can use this tag. We will implement in the programs. We will write some of the program HTML documents where we will use this particular tag. And the second attribute of anchor tag A is name attribute. Name attribute. So name attribute is used for linking the sections on the same web page. It indicates the name of the section within the web page. So you can see that href is used to indicate the destination link. Means through this you can specify the name of HTML document which you want to link with this anchor tag text, and the name attribute is used generally for it is used for internal linking. Means if your web page is too long and you want to jump from one section to another, then you can use name attribute for that purpose. So name attribute is used for linking sections on the same web page. If web page is too long that you are moving from one location to another, one point to another point, it is time taking and it is a very boring case. In that case, what you can do, you can make the different sections in that web page, and via name attribute you can specify, you can jump from one section to another. So it indicates the name of the section within the web page. Now, as we are discussing about the linking of the web page, and we are familiar with this, that for the linking we can use anchor tag A, and how and what type of various linkings are available in the HTML. So, dear students, HTML supports three types of linking. HTML supports three types of linking. The first type of linking is considered as external linking. First is external linking. Second one is internal linking. And third is email linking. So, three types of linking are supported by HTML, that is external linking, internal linking, and email linking. So what is external linking? As I told you in the previous slides, as I told you that href attribute is used to indicate the destination link. Destination link means the HTML document to which you want to link this particular text, which is written with A, anchor tag A. So this particular href attribute is used to specify the name of the destination link. So destination link means you are using external linking. External linking, it involves interconnecting two different pages. Means two different pages can be linked together with the help of external linking. And how we will use anchor tag A, and how we will implement it, we will see it in the next classes. Okay, clear, students? Now see, when you click a hyperlink, as you are using linking and you are linking two different web pages, so whatever the hyperlink you have created, as you click that particular hyperlink, a new web page to which the hyperlink is linked get displayed in the browser's window. Okay, clear? So whenever you create a hyperlink and you click that, particular hyperlink, what will happen? What will happen? The page, HTML page, which was linked to this particular hyperlink, hypertext or hyperlink, will open into the web browser window, get displayed in the web browser's window. The third point is we can link pages within the same directory or any other page over the internet. Okay, as we are discussing the linking and we are discussing the external linking. Means external linking means when you are linking the other HTML documents to your hyperlink text or the hypertext. Clear? Then the pages to which you are creating the links, they can be in the same directory where your web page is present, or you can link it to the a page which is present over the internet. That is why it is known as external linking. Because other pages are linked to the text which is present in an HTML document. Clear, students? Now, the next topic is internal linking. So first type of linking we have covered, that is external linking. Now we are going to discuss about the internal linking. So what happens in case of internal linking when it is required? Listen, if you have designed a web page which is very lengthy, very long web page, which is having a huge information in that, then if you want to move from one particular line to another position, another point, then you have to simply scroll it. So instead of simple scrolling, what we can do, we can make few of the sections in that page, because that is a very lengthy web page. So in that particular web page, we can make few of the sections, and we can link those sections through the internal linking. So as you click on a particular section name, you directly jump to that particular section in the same web page. So it can be implemented, the internal linking can be implemented only when the web page is too long. When the web page is too long, very long web page. So we will see now, the few points are written over here. First is, it involves linking various sections of the same web page. As I told you before, that this type of linking is useful when the web page is very long. So various sections, we can divide that particular web page into the sections, and various sections can be linked through this internal linking. Second point, this type of linking very useful when web page is very long. The same thing I told you. This is only useful when the web page is very long. It has a huge information in the same web page. Then the next point, it lets the user view the desirable sections on the web page quickly. If the sections, there is no internal linking, there is no any other facility of the internal linking, then how you can move from one information to another? Simple, by the scrolling process. Simple by the scrolling method, and it is a time taking and boring method. So what you can do, you can divide the complete information into few sections, and you can make the link at the top of the pages. As you click on that particular section name, you directly jump to that particular location where that information is present. So it allows you to quickly jump from one location to another location, from one point to another point, or you can say from one section to another section. Clear, students? Then now the next point is, this helps the user to quickly jump to the information he or she looking for. The same thing, if a web page is having a huge information, lengthy informations, and you want to search for a particular information, instead of moving line by scrolling, what you can do, you can simply go to that particular section's link, hyperlink, and click on it. As you click on that, you will simply jump to that particular section for which it is linked. Clear? So internal linking is what? Internal linking can be used to link various sections of the same web page. It is useful when the web page is too lengthy, and if the web page is too lengthy, we can divide that information into few sections, and for each section we will create a link at the top of the page, at the beginning of the page, and as we click any one of the link on that particular page, then simply we jump to that particular section in the same web page. So it makes our working very fast, quick. Okay, clear students? And of course, it helps the user to quickly jump to the information he or she looking for. If you're searching any information from this particular web page, then you can search the links, the list of links which are given at the beginning of the page. As you search those links and find out your required information related, the link of your required information, and click on that. As you click on that, you will jump to that particular section. You can find the information from there, that particular section. Now students, the last type of linking is email linking. In email linking, what happened? We simply link the text to an email address. As you must have seen in some of the web pages, uh, for more information, contact and the email address is present. Contact us, something like this text is present. Contact us means what? As you click on that text, the email box is open where you can compose the mail. So you can also link the text to an email address. You can also link the text to an email address. Text means a hyperlink, hypertext to an email address. And as you click that particular text which is linked to the email address, then composed mail dialog box will be open in front of you, and you can write the message or you can compose the mail for the same thing. So it is all for today's session. In today's session, we have seen that we can use, we have seen that hypertext and hyperlink, anchor text A, anchor tag A, and what is the syntax of anchor tag? And anchor tag is having two of the attributes, that is href and name attribute. Types of linking: external, internal, and email linking. We have seen all these things, and this session was only the theoretical session. In the next session, we will implement. We will prepare few of the documents of the HTML in which we will I'll show you how we can implement external, internal, and email linking. So we will see the programs in that particular section. And now it comes to end of this session. So students, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep practicing all the things. And okay, goodbye. Bye-bye, students.